Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Park the 2019 Lincoln Nautilus on level ground, engage park, set the electronic parking brake if present, and remove the key fob from the cabin. Open the trunk and access the battery area. On this model, the battery sits in the rear cargo under a trim panel on the passenger side. Before touching terminals, wear gloves and eye protection, and allow 10 to 15 minutes for capacitors to discharge, so you reduce shock and avoid electrical spikes that might damage modules. Remove the cargo floor and the small trim cover to expose the battery and its hold-down bracket. Keep fasteners in a labeled container. Disconnect the negative terminal first using a 10 mm wrench, then disconnect the positive plus terminal to prevent accidental shorts. Tuck cables aside. Remove the hold-down bolt and bracket, then lift the battery straight up and out using two hands. Batteries weigh roughly 35 to 50 lb depending on battery type, and set it on a protected surface. Place the new battery in the same orientation as the old one, secure the hold-down bracket, and tighten bolts snugly. Do not over-torque and avoid metal contact. Reconnect the positive plus terminal first, then the negative terminal, and tighten both with a 10 mm wrench. Verify terminals are clean and free of corrosion. Because the 2019 Nautilus uses battery management, register the new battery with a dealer scan tool or OBD-ROMAN 2 battery registration tool within 30 minutes to reset charging parameters and protect alternator and battery life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.